cleaning a dirty electrical connection off an old backhoe. This is the 8040 contact cleaner from IPA. This contact cleaner has diamond coating on the tip. They're super thin, so they can fit into standard spade style electrical connectors. And check this out. They actually swivel out so you can use them individually, or you squeeze them back together and use them like a tweezer. So let me show you how that works. Here you can see this connector. It's not really corroded, but it's enough where it's suspect electrical connection. You take your tweezer ends, you slide them in. It's a nice tight fit, but not too tight where it's going to damage it. And that's it. Push it in, pull it out, in, out. And this is a perfect fit. Just a little bit of a drag fit. Now I can swivel it out like this and use each end like a file. But again, the fit is just enough. Now if you get in there and it feels a little loose, it may be time to replace it. This connector is just a little too loose. But overall, it's a pretty good connection.